Morning. Right, today I have a review that a subscriber has asked me to do, and it is Aldi laundry capsules. So come on over and we'll have a look what we've got. Here's the Aldi capsules. They cost £3.15 for 24. Here's the Morrisons capsules. They cost £3.70 for 21. Right, I also found out that Morrisons capsules came number 5 in the UK's best washing capsules for your laundry. So we're going to put them both to the test and see which is better. And I brought non-bio because non-bio doesn't contain any enzymes. It's gentler on your skin if you've got skin conditions like eczema, or it's just a softer washing laundry. So if you have sensitive skin or any skin issues, people always use non-bio, but in the UK, non-bio is the most popular. Right, I brought 2 white t-shirts and I put a few everyday stains on them. Grass stain, mud, chocolate sauce, baked beans and red sauce. And I did exactly the same for the Morrisons one as well. And there is some pros and cons to using wash tablets. They can be very good for washing in cold water, but sometimes they contain too much detergent or too little detergent, and they can't be used to pre-treat stains, and they are more expensive than your average wash powder or wash gel. So we're going to get this review going, and I'm going to put Aldi in the washing machine first. I've opened the Aldi box. We'll have a look inside. That's what it looks like inside. They do smell quite nice, and I'm going to show you all the information at the back. So there we go. And these can't be used for hand washing or used for wool or silk. So there is some pros and cons. So we're going to get it all in the washing machine. We're at my washer. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to stick the t-shirt in there, and I've got a wet dog towel that I'm going to stick in there as well. So in they both go. And because that t-shirt is quite stained, I'm going to use 2 capsules, even though it said they're super concentrated and it removes stains even on a cool wash. So I'm going to do a normal wash on 40 degrees. So I'm going to put 2 capsules in. Just put them in like that, 2 capsules. There we go. I shut the door. I'm going to put my washing machine on for my program. Right, I've put it on a 40 degree wash. So let's get it started. Right, I know it's a bit noisy, so just bear with me. I thought I'd bring you back over to the washing machine. It's been about 1 minute now, and the capsules have just burst. And I put 2 capsules in there, and look, we've got quite a bit of suds, so that's good. So we're going to leave it now. I've opened the Morrisons box. Let's have a look. They're a bit darker, aren't they? Right, you can have a look on. That smells quite nice as well. The smell hit me on this one when I opened this one. It didn't so much on the Aldi one. So let's turn this around. That's all the information on the back. Focus. Yep. The same again. You can't use them for hand washing. You can't use them for silk or wool. So coming over to the washing machine, and we'll put this in. Right, to make this fair again, and put the t-shirt in, I've got another towel, wet towel from the dog. So, and then I'm going to put 2 capsules in, like I did with the Aldi one. Oh, just bear with me, the box is shut. Sorry about that, the box shut on me. Right, they are quite fiddly, some of these boxes are to open. Right, I'm going to put 2 in, like I did with the Aldi. So I'll put 2 in. We'll put it on a 40 degree wash again. There we go. Right, let's press start. And we'll see how long it takes for these to burst and what the bubbles are like. Right, it's took about 1 minute for these to burst open as well. And that's the bubbles. So they're roughly both the same. But this one seems, Morrison one seems to have more wash powder in it. wash gel in it, sorry. So I'll bring you back when it's finished. Both out the washing machine now. This is the first one. We've still got baked beans and grass stains. This is the second one. We've still got grass stains, baked bean stains and chocolate sauce stains. So I've brought old food guy in to tell me which one he thinks is the best without knowing which one's which.
They're both rubbish. They're both can't be good, there's no stain.
What do you think of the smell? Do you like that smell? Which one do you think smells better?
I think that one smells better. That one doesn't seem to have any smell. This one, that one smells more like it's been washed. This one
Right. That first one, do you want to guess which one was which?
I don't know even what you've got on from. Hello.
Right, the first one came in the top 5.
This one.
Yeah. They tested it out of 10 different wash capsules and that came number 5. That's Morrisons.
That's Morrisons.
And Morrisons was £3.70.
Yeah.
That one's Aldi. That one came in at £3.15 for 24. And you get
well, that one smells like it's been washed.
Right.
None of them have got a stain though.
Not really, have they?
What do you use? Capsule.
Capsules.
Yeah, so we don't use capsules, do we?
Yeah, one of my subscribers asked me to do Aldi capsules. So you definitely prefer the Aldi smell?
On that one, and
yeah.
I wouldn't buy any with a, it's not getting the stains. I think with them capsules you can't scrub, can you?
It's not that neither. Capsules don't pre-treat stains.
That's what I'm saying, so you can't.
But I put them both in at the same temperature.
I'd buy the Aldi, it smells.
You'd buy the Aldi.
If you're buying one of them.
Aldi comes in a lot cheaper and a lot more. You get 24 for £3.15.
Yeah, I'd probably buy the Aldi one.
Yeah, I probably would as well.
Colour, I can't really tell because they're still wet.
Yeah.
See. But none of them have got the stains out, so, and we don't use capsules anyway.
I don't use.
Well, for the smell, I'd use that one. I'd have that one.
Yeah.
The Aldi.
Right.
That
Okay.
one doesn't really smell for me.
Thank you. Yeah. I think Aldi comes first. Don't really particularly like the smell of Morrisons myself, but that came in number 5 in the top 10 most best washed tablet gel capsules. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if any of you want me to do a review on any household products, obviously budget wise, just drop me a message and I'll be more than happy to do it for you. So until the next time, see you all later. Bye.